Welcome to the Prepper Almanac. We're delighted to have you with us today as we discuss a critical topic that every prepper needs to know about. Canned foods preppers need to stockpile now. And if you ultimately find this video valuable, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We always appreciate your support. Also, we'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas, so make sure to leave a comment down below after watching the video. Today's discussion is packed with practical advice and recommendations. If you're looking to boost your pantry with nutritious, versatile, and long-lasting foods, you're absolutely going to appreciate this. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into the first item on our list: canned tuna and salmon. Did you know that canned tuna and salmon are power-packed with omega-3s essential for brain and heart health? These two types of canned fish are not just convenient and versatile, but they also serve as a nutritional powerhouse. Canned tuna, for instance, is a great source of lean protein, providing the energy you need to carry on with your day. It's a beneficial addition to various meals, from sandwiches and salads to pasta dishes and even casseroles. But the real beauty of canned tuna lies in its omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, which the body can't produce on its own, are known for their role in supporting heart health and improving brain function. Plus, the fact that canned tuna has a long shelf life makes it an ideal pantry staple, especially for those preparing for unforeseen circumstances. Likewise, canned salmon is another nutrient-dense food to consider. Similar to tuna, salmon is rich in omega-3s, providing the same heart and brain benefits. But what sets salmon apart is its high calcium and vitamin D content. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining bone health, with calcium being the main building block of our bones and vitamin D facilitating its absorption. But the goodness of canned salmon doesn't stop there. It is also a good source of protein and can be used in a variety of dishes. And let's not forget about the shelf life of these canned fish. They can be stored for years without losing their nutritional value, making them a reliable food source in emergencies. Just imagine, with just a can opener, make sure you have a manual one in case the power is out, and a few cans of tuna and salmon, you can have a nutritious meal ready in minutes, even in the most challenging situations. So if you're looking to stock your pantry with nutrient-rich, versatile, and long-lasting foods, look no further than canned tuna and salmon. And who knows, these canned fish might just become great barter items during a long-term disaster or societal collapse. Next, let's focus on protein sources that are both lean and long-lasting. Chicken breast fits this as a versatile and lean protein source. It's essentially a ready-to-eat ingredient, making it an absolute boon for those moments when you need a quick source of protein, especially during a long-term disaster situation. Chicken is a familiar taste, and its versatility means it can be used in an array of meals, from salads to soups, or even as a standalone dish. The preservation process used for canned chicken breast ensures it maintains its nutritional value, offering you a long-lasting protein option for your prepper pantry. Another item to discuss are canned beans. Now, beans might not sound exciting, but their nutritional profile is something to marvel at. High in protein and fiber, these little powerhouses are a staple for both vegetarians and meat eaters alike. The variety of canned beans available is quite impressive, providing options to suit a range of dietary needs. From kidney beans to black beans, chickpeas to lentils, each variety brings with it its own set of nutrients and potential uses in your cooking. One of the key benefits of canned beans is their high fiber content. This not only aids digestion but also helps to keep you feeling fuller for longer. Plus, the protein in beans is a great complement to the protein in chicken, providing a more complete amino acid profile. This combination of nutrients makes canned beans a filling and nutritious addition to your stockpile. And let's not forget about convenience. Both canned chicken breast and beans require minimal preparation time, which can be a significant advantage in a crisis situation. Simply open the can, heat if desired, and you've got a nutritious meal ready to go. With canned chicken breast and beans in your stockpile, you can ensure a balanced diet, even in challenging times. Tiny but mighty canned sardines and vegetables are not to be overlooked when doing your prepper stockpiling. If you've ever dismissed sardines as insignificant, it's time to reconsider. These small fish are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with omega-3 fatty acids that are vital for brain and heart health. They also provide ample amounts of calcium and vitamin D, making them a great choice for maintaining strong bones and teeth. But the benefits of sardines don't stop there. They're also a convenient option, Already cooked and ready to eat straight from the can, they're a quick and easy source of protein. And with a long shelf life, they're an ideal choice for long-term storage. And I won't lie, I am not a fan of sardines. However, I do have some in my prepper pantry just in case. Now let's talk about vegetables. Canned vegetables offer a host of benefits that make them a must-have in any stockpile. First off, they're incredibly versatile. Whether it's tomatoes, corn, peas, or green beans, these vegetables can be used in a myriad of dishes and bring variety to your meals. Tomatoes, whether diced, crushed, or whole, form the base for countless sauces, soups, and stews. They're packed with antioxidants and offer a long shelf life, making them a valuable addition to your prepper pantry. Canned corn, on the other hand, is a good source of carbohydrates and fiber, providing energy and promoting digestive health. Don't forget about canned peas and green beans. These vegetables are easy to add to soups and stews, or they can be eaten on their own. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, ensuring you're getting a good dose of nutrients with every serving. Remember, these canned goods are already cooked, which means they're ready to eat right out of the can. This can be a real time saver, especially in a crisis situation where cooking facilities may be limited. Fruits and soups can also be as essential as main course items when stockpiling food for your prepper pantry. Let's start with canned peaches. These sweet delights are a powerhouse of vitamin C and fiber. They can add a touch of sweetness and essential nutrients to your diet, contributing to overall health while satisfying your sweet tooth even in a disaster situation. Next up, canned pears. Similar to peaches, they are a great source of vitamin C and fiber. They offer a change of pace from other canned fruits and provide essential nutrients. They can be an excellent way to keep your diet diverse even in times of crisis. Who can resist the tropical allure of canned pineapple, packed with vitamin C and manganese? These pineapples can add a touch of sweetness to your prepper stockpile. They also provide essential nutrients that can help keep your body functioning optimally. And let's not forget canned applesauce. This non-perishable fruit option is a quick source of vitamin C and fiber. It's easy to store, easy to use, and can provide you with vital nutrients when fresh produce might not be available. Now, let's shift gears and talk about canned soups. These are a quick and easy meal option that can be high in vegetables and protein content. The convenience of canned soups cannot be overstated. They offer a nutritious solution during a crisis situation and can be a lifesaver when time or resources are limited. Canned chili is another great option. It's hearty and filling, providing protein, vegetables, and some spice in a single can. It's perfect for a satisfying meal without a lot of preparation. Just heat it up, and you've got a meal ready to go. This is one of my favorites, and believe me, I have a lot of canned chili in my personal prepper pantry. Canned fruits and soups can ensure a quick and easy source of essential nutrients when in a long-term disaster or crisis situation. Now let's discuss canned spaghetti and dried fruits. Canned spaghetti, it's more than just a childhood favorite. It's a reliable source of carbohydrates, and if you opt for versions with meat sauce, you can also get a decent helping of protein. Plus, it's easy to prepare, making it a perfect go-to for those times when you need a quick meal during a crisis situation. And now dried fruits. While they don't come in a can, they're a prepper's best friend. Think raisins, cranberries, prunes. These are all concentrated sources of nutrients and fiber. They're lightweight, space-efficient, and have an impressively long shelf life. Plus, they add a touch of sweetness to your diet, which can be a welcome change from the savory flavors of canned goods, especially in a crisis situation or even a societal collapse. Now let's explore a range of canned staples that can elevate your prepper pantry and extend your meal options. First up, canned pasta sauce. This time saver is a great base for quick pasta dishes, lending flavor and depth to your meals. Next, canned diced tomatoes with green chilies. This ingredient pairs well with beans and rice, adding a spicy kick to a variety of dishes. And what about canned vegetables in broth? Ready to eat and packed with nutrients, these can be eaten on their own or added to dishes for an extra boost of flavor and vitamins. Then there's canned coconut milk, a versatile ingredient that can be used in both savory and sweet dishes, giving your meals a unique, creamy twist. Even in a crisis situation, canned olives are another pantry staple, adding a salty tang to salads or dishes while providing healthy fats. Next, canned peanut butter. High in protein and healthy fats, it's a valuable addition to your pantry and can be used in a myriad of ways. Now let's talk about canned salmon with bones. Not everyone's favorite, but it's a great source of calcium if you can stomach the bones. Evaporated milk is another shelf-stable dairy alternative. It can be used in coffee, baking, or reconstituted for drinking. Canned pickled vegetables add a tangy flavor to dishes and may aid digestion, while powdered milk provides a long-term dairy option that requires only water for reconstitution. Last, but certainly not least, freeze-dried fruits. These lightweight, long shelf-life fruits offer a delicious and nutritious way to add variety and vitamins to your diet, rehydrating easily for consumption. From canned pasta sauce to freeze-dried fruits, these pantry staples are versatile, flavorful, and packed with nutrients, making them invaluable additions to your prepper stockpile. As we bring our exploration of canned and freeze-dried staples to a close, we want to open the floor for your thoughts. If you have any questions about what we discussed today, or if there are any topics you would like us to discuss in the future, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments section below. Your feedback and suggestions keep our Prepper channel dynamic and relevant, and we're always eager to hear your thoughts. We also ask for your support in helping our channel grow. If you found today's video useful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel for more videos on prepping. And if you know someone who has a passion for prepping or is just curious about it, feel free to share this video with them. Before we sign off, we want to direct your attention to the top left-hand area of your screen. YouTube's algorithm, based on your viewing history, has selected a video it thinks you'll find interesting. We hope you enjoy it. Until next time, stay prepared, my fellow preppers.